Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making Spritz cookies. It's weird for me to pronounce it like that because that's not quite how it's pronounced in German. Spritzen is actually just piping. It just means piping. So these are piped cookies that are very traditional around Christmas time. But I like them anytime, so let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 cup or 125 grams of ground hazelnuts, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar. In a large mixing bowl, cream your butter. Add sugar, vanilla, and eggs, and beat until light and fluffy, scraping the bowl as needed. Then add the flour and hazelnuts. Mix until combined. Dough will be rather dry and come away from the sides of the bowl. If you actually want to pipe this dough, consider adding some milk to thin the dough. I added about 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters in total, but you could add more as well. Pipe the dough onto a lined baking sheet. These are often piped into S's or squiggles. I have to be honest with you though, these are extremely difficult to pipe. My hands were sore for days after making these. These would work better with a cookie press, which is easier on the hands. Alternatively, you can roll the dough into balls and press them down onto the baking tray. I also added a few sprinkles just because my kids love sprinkles. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 13 minutes. These shouldn't get too much color at all, but they should no longer look wet when they're done. So these cookies are a bit firm and break easily. They taste of vanilla and hazelnuts and are often dipped in chocolate, so whichever way you prefer, they're both really good. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.